Hey guys, it's Madimations, and just saying that I play Animal Jam and my username is Madison Dragon, so if you want to buddy me on there, then go ahead. But first, in the comments, you should tell me your username in Animal Jam, and then I'll probably accept. Also, shout out to this great YouTuber that even wants to enter in my MAP or map or whatever for Wings of Fire, and her name is the Wolf Animator, and she also plays Animal Jam, maybe play Wild, I don't know, but yeah, just shout out to the Wolf Animator. Bye!